Guna Surya channel. In this video, we are going to see algebraic expressions, exercise number 12.3, question number 3. Find the value of the following expression when x is equal to minus 1. The first question is 2x minus 7. So what does it mean? The value of x is given as minus 1. Wherever you have x, you are supposed to substitute the value as minus 1. So now we'll move on with the first problem. 2x is same as 2 into x. So we can write this as 2 into x minus 7. Now the value of x is given as minus 1. So we are only substituting here. Alright. Minus 7. Now see here, 2 into minus 1, actually 2 into 1 is 2. Then plus into minus gives you minus. Then minus 7 as usual what we have in the question. Minus 2 minus 7, it gives you minus 9. So this is the first answer. Now second question is minus x plus 2. So here, be very careful. Minus x meaning, already we have the minus of the question. The value of x is given to be as minus 1. So you have 2 minus here. I say again, minus is of the question given. The value of x is given as minus 1. So you put this in brackets. Now, plus 2. So, minus into minus gives you plus, it's 1, right? Again plus 2. So, our answer is 1 plus 2 gives you simply as 3. Now, we'll move on with the third question. Third question is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now, we know that x square meaning x into x. So, first we will expand and write x square is nothing but x into x plus 2x is same as 2 into x, okay, plus 1. Now wherever you have x, you are supposed to substitute the value as minus 1 because it's given in the question. So x value is minus 1 into minus 1, we'll put this in brackets, plus 2 into value of x is minus 1, okay, plus 1. Now see here, 1 into 1 is actually 1. First you multiply and then go for the sign. What's the sign given here? Minus. And another sign is also minus. So we know that minus into minus is actually plus. So minus 1 into minus 1 gives you plus 1. Now this plus we will take it here, okay. Now see here, 2 into minus 1. So 2 into 1 is actually 2. The sign that we have in 2 is actually positive. So plus into minus gives you minus 2. Put this in brackets, plus 1. Now see here, 1 as usual we will write. Plus into minus gives you minus 2. Then you have plus 1. Now this is a normal course of your operation that is given as plus or minus. So we know that 1 minus 2, which means minus 2 plus 1 gives you minus 1 and plus 1. So the answer lies with 0. This is our answer for the third question. Now we will move on to the fourth question. The last question is 2x square minus x minus 2. As usual, we will take 2, x square meaning x into x. So 2 into x, okay, minus x minus 2. Now substitute the value of x as minus 1. 2 into the value of x is minus 1. Another x is given. So the value of x is minus 1, okay. Here as usual we have a minus. The value of x is actually what? Minus 1. So be very careful with the minus sign because this minus comes from the question and this is the value of x given as -1. Then minus 2. Okay. Now first go with the normal multiplication. 2 into 1s are 2. 2 into 1s are 2. So 2. But the sign that we have to check here is, in 2 we have a positive, in 1 we have a negative, and another one we also have a negative. So apply the rule now. Plus into minus gives you minus. From this minus into minus gives you plus. So our answer for this part is 2. Now come to this area. We have a minus here. Again, you will put this minus as such. Then minus 2 will go with each step. Now see here, 2 as usual will write minus into minus gives you what? Plus. So now this will change to plus 1 and this is actually minus 2. Now you see here, 2 plus 1 gives you 3. 3 minus 2 gives you actually 1. This is the answer for the fourth question. So I hope this video is clear for you. If you have any doubts, you can pass it on the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.